Hello students, welcome back to Narayana Digital Classes. Today we will be solving the assignment number 28 on the topic solutions. Let's move on to the assignment. Here the first question, 200 cubic centimeter of an aqueous solution contain 1.26 grams of polymer. So the osmotic pressure of such solution at 300 Kelvin is found to be 2.57 into 10 power minus 3 bar. Calculate the molar mass of the polymer. So there is a polymer. So we need to find that molar mass of that particular polymer. So they have given osmotic pressure and volume of the solution and weight of the polymer, the osmotic pressure at 300 Kelvin, right? So we know that osmotic pressure pi equal to CRT. Pi equal to CRT. Here pi is osmotic pressure and C is concentration, R is gas constant and T is temperature, right? So this one we can elaborate. Here concentration is number of moles by volume of solution into RT. So there pi V equal to nRT. Pi V equal to nRT. So what is the formula for number of moles? Number of moles equal to weight of this solute by molecular weight of the solute, or weight of substance by molecular weight of substance. Then we can write pi V equal to weight by molecular weight into RT. So we need to find the molecular weight, that is molar mass of the particular polymer. So the molecular weight MWT, the molecular weight equal to pi V weight into RT whole by pi V, right? So they have given osmotic pressure, how much? Pi equal to 2.57 into 10 power minus 3 bar. 2.57 into 10 power minus 3 bar, right? So what is the weight of that polymer? Weight of that polymer equal to 1.26 grams. 1.26 grams. And volume of the solution. Volume of the solution is 200 cubic centimeter. 200 cubic centimeter, that is equal to 0.2 liters. Clear? So R equal to gas constant, that is 0.0821 liter atmosphere mole inverse Kelvin inverse. Liter atmosphere mole inverse Kelvin inverse. And temperature they have given 300 Kelvin. If you substitute all these values in this formula, we will get the answer, that is molar mass of the particular polymer. So molar mass of molecular weight equal to weight, that is 1.26 into gas constant 0.0821 into temperature 300 Kelvin by osmotic pressure 2.57 into 10 power minus 3 bar into volume, that is volume is 0.2 liters. 0.2 liters. If you solve this one, you will get 60.377 kg per mole. Then this one we can written as 60,377 gram per mole. So the correct option is first option. Let's move on to the next question. Here the question, the osmotic pressure of a solution of an organic substance containing 18 gram in 1 liter of solution at 293 Kelvin is 2.414 into 10 power 5 Newton per meter square. Find the molecular mass of the substance. So here the S equal to 8.3 joule per Kelvin mole inverse, right? So here also we need to find the molecular mass. Here also we need to find molecular mass. What they have given? They have given substance weight, that is 18 grams, and volume 1 liter, and temperature they have given 293 Kelvin, and osmotic pressure 2.414 10 power 5 Newton per meter square. And we know the gas constant, that is 0.0821, right? So the osmotic pressure pi equal to weight by molecular weight into RT by V. RT by V. So here we need to find the molecular mass of the substance. Molecular mass of substance, right? So then MWT, molecular weight equal to weight of substance into RT by pi into V, right? What is the pi value here? The osmotic pressure. Osmotic pressure is 2.414 into 414 into 10 power minus 10 power 5 Newton meter per minus 2, right? And what is the weight of the substance? Weight of the substance is 18 grams. 18 grams. And temperature they have given 293 Kelvin. Temperature they have given 293 Kelvin, and volume is 1 liter, and R is gas constant, that is 0.0821 liter atmosphere mole inverse Kelvin inverse, right? If you substitute all these values in this formula, we will get the answer. So molecular weight equal to weight, how much weight they have given? 18 grams into 0.0821 into 293 Kelvin whole by, and osmotic pressure pi equal to 2.414 into 10 power 5 Newton per meter square into volume 1 liter, right? If you solve this one, you will get the molecular weight, which is around 181.33, right? So the correct answer is first option. Clear? Let's move on to the next question. Here the question, 0.3 liter of an aqueous solution contains 1.26 grams of polymer. The osmotic pressure of such solution at 300 Kelvin is found to be 1.26 into 10 power minus 3 bar. Calculate the molar mass of the polymer. This is also same question. So the osmotic pressure pi equal to weight by molecular weight into RT by V. So here we need to find the molar mass, that is molecular weight. So molecular weight equal to weight into RT by osmotic pressure into V. So here weight of the substance, how much weight they have given? 1.26 grams. 1.26 grams of weight polymer. R equal to gas constant, that is 0.0821 liter atmosphere mole inverse Kelvin inverse, right? Next, temperature. How much temperature they have given? They have given 300 Kelvin. 300 Kelvin temperature, and osmotic pressure is 1.26 into 10 power minus 3 bar, and volume equal to 0.3 liters. Substitute all these values in this formula, then molecular weight equal to 1.26 into 0.0821 into 300 whole by 1.26 into 10 power minus 3 into 0.3. If you solve this one, you will get the answer 83,100. So the molar mass of the polymer is 83,100. So the correct option is first option. Let's move on to the next problem. Here the question, the osmotic pressure of blood is 8.21 atmosphere at 310 Kelvin. How much glucose should be used per liter for an intravenous injection that is isotopic with blood, right? That is isotopic with blood. So here we need to find the how much amount of, so the weight of glucose, how much glucose they have used per liter for an intravenous injection that is isotopic with blood. Isotopic means which has same pressure, right? So the osmotic pressure formula pi equal to weight by molecular weight into RT by V, right? Here we need to find the weight of the glucose. So weight equal to pi into molecular weight into V by RT. So here osmotic pressure pi equal to how much? 8.21 atmospheres, and molecular weight of glucose is 180, and volume per liter, so 1 liter, and gas constant R equal to 0.0821 liter atmosphere, mole inverse, Kelvin inverse, and T equal to temperature. How much temperature? Temperature they have given 310 Kelvin. So the weight of glucose equal to 8.21 into molecular weight 180 into volume 1 by gas constant 0.0821 into temperature 310 Kelvin. So if you solve this one, you will get weight of the glucose is 58.065 grams. So the correct option is third option. Clear? With this, I come to the end of the session. Thank you very much.